Hello, 1913 here, and today I have a very quick unboxing slash review of the Mstand by Rain Design. So let's get started. I bought this for around $60 from Staples. You can also buy it from the Apple Store and also Amazon and Rain Design itself. So what it is a laptop stand. It's aluminum, so it goes really well with like MacBooks. So some packaging. Okay, and there it is. So here it is. So this is the front, and it says Rain, and that's the company, and the Mstand. And this is what it looks like. Again, all aluminum. The back. And the other side, pretty much saying that this will help out when you're at your desk. So let's open it. So I'm guessing it just lifts up. Put that to the side. Put it on the side, and nothing else. So we've got this little pamphlet, instruction book, I don't know, everything. So pretty much, I guess, a catalog of their different products that they have. Yeah, so if you want to check out some of their products, just go on this website. So, yeah. And here's the stand. And to be honest, this is actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be, especially since the box was like 10 times this size. But it's really nice. Like I said, all aluminum. It's got this little rubber feet, if you can see, on all fours. It's got the raindrop. Here's the side profile. Here's the back. And this is not rubber, this is plastic, just for your cords and stuff like that. And then over here in the front, you can see two rubber little feet. And yeah, it definitely has some weight to it because it's all metal. So this can be used pretty much for any kind of computer or laptop. It doesn't have to be just MacBooks or anything like that. So I'll show you what it looks like. So this is the 15-inch 2013 MacBook Pro. So now I'll talk about the pros and the cons. So I love the all aluminum build quality. Your laptop will also be able to be on the same level as a computer monitor, which is the main reason why so many people buy this. Another plus is also this stand is commonly bought as a MacBook stand, but other laptops will work just as well. A great plus to this stand is also that you're able to tuck away accessories underneath it, which is a huge plus, and it keeps things nice and neat. Now on to the cons. Typing with just your laptop won't work. You will need a keyboard because it's just not possible to type with just your laptop. It's just awkward. My only real concern is actually the aluminum. I love the look of it. It's definitely really sturdy, but I definitely think it'll scratch over time. I don't think it'll look that great. Overall, I'm not that impressed with the price, and I will link cheaper alternatives in the description. I am, however, happy I bought it. It's a great addition to my setup. So thank you so much for watching. If you thought this video was nifty, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks.